Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to copy text from anywhere on your screen without installing any software in Windows. You can copy text from any image or a PDF file or anything that is displaying on your screen. Let's say I want to copy this text from the About section. What you need to do, simply press the print screen button from your keyboard or a shortcut which is Windows Shift and S from your keyboard. This will open up the snipping tool. Make sure you select the snip option and the rectangle option. Now create a rectangle around the text that you want to copy. In the notification, click the markup and share. This will open up the snipping tool application and you can see the screenshot is available here. Simply click the text actions button in the top. Now you can select anything and right click to copy. Or just click copy all text to copy everything that is highlighted. Go to the notepad and paste the text. You can copy this as a table. So copy as a table and go to the sheets and paste it. In case if you have an image to extract text from it, simply open that image directly into the snipping tool. Here you can see the sample data of the customers. Simply click the text action button. This will make it selectable. Now copy this as a table and go to the Sheets application and paste it. So that's it guys. This is how you can copy anything from your screen in Windows without installing any application. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and please subscribe to my channel.